Hi everyone, Matt Watson here from CarWow. I've got an exciting drag race for you today. So I'm sat in a MINI John Cooper Works Clubman. Next to me is an Audi S3 Saloon, and next to that is the beautiful Mercedes AMG CLA 35. Yes, it's the best looking car here, but is it the quickest? Well, we're going to find out. We're also going to find out who've got driving the S3. Can you guess who it is? Yeah, you know, it's him again. Hello, Yianni. You all right?
Hi, Matthew. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. So, this is unusual today because I think this is the first time we've ever drag raced a MINI on this channel. 2, 1. Oh, look. It's not the most manly car here, is it, though?
Definitely not the most manly car, but
The least manly person is driving it.
Shots fired right
from the get-go. Well, thanks for that, Yianni.
All these cars have 2-litre turbocharged petrol engines. They've all got all-wheel drive. They've all got automatic gearboxes. They've all got launch control. The MINI and the Mercedes have 306 horsepower, but you have only got 300. But I know that Audi launches hard, and I'm not sure whether it's got anything to do with the fact that you've actually got 4 exhaust pipes, whereas the other 2 cars just have 2. Do you reckon that'll help?
Do they all work though? You know, usually they have exhaust pipes on the back and
It's like 2 work and 2 are just there for the look.
They lead to nowhere. Makes me feel... Anyway, I think we're probably just like whittering on a bit too much and people just want to see the drag race. So we're going to get on with this, but before we do, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. And if you want to follow Yianni, the link is below for Yianni Mize.
reaction time.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, I got a good start. Drop.
That was a poor. Really slow, delayed.
That was freaking brilliant. Oh, this thing's quick.
That was really slow.
It's between the Audi and the CLA. I've got this. Oh yeah!
Yeah, not feeling that.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, the MINI completed the standing quarter mile in 13.5 seconds. The Audi took 13.7 seconds, and the AMG did it in 13.8 seconds.
My reaction time was really poor, to be honest with you, and it seemed like a lifetime for my car to actually pull away. You were gone, and I was like, is this going to go anytime soon?
Do you know what? I'm feeling slightly charitable. Do you want a rematch?
Yeah, I think so.
3, 2, 1.
That's better.
You got me there to fuck up. Oh no! 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 I can see his smug face from it. Not even getting in, it's so close. So then, what happened this time? Well, the Audi did the quarter mile in 13.5 seconds, the MINI did it in 13.6 seconds, and the AMG took 13.8 seconds. You got that sus that time, didn't you?
Yeah, I had to get used to the car because it had such a delay on it, so that's why I realised you can go slightly earlier.
I think that's the thing with the dual clutches. There's like a delay when you lift off the brake
5, 4, 3.
for them to like dump their clutches. Whereas this has a torque converter, so it just goes straight away because it's basically just holding itself on the brake.
4, 3, 4, 5.
I actually had a bit of wheel spin when I was pulling away then, which didn't help me, but you did get a better reaction that time.
4.
It flicked off. What number?
6.
Yo.
I forgot about the CLA. What's been happening with the CLA?
First time is a bit like Yianni, there's a bit of a delay on the thing, but the second time I got it pretty much there, but it's just not as strong. The other 2 cars are just stronger.
I noticed as well, Yanni's like hooning it up the runway while looking backwards over his shoulder at me.
I was making sure you had a good view of my rear end.
And your big smug grin as well. Okay, right, last drag race, best 2 out of 3. Click on the pop-out banner up there to vote which you think's going to win, this Mini or the Audi. Let's find out.
3, 2, 1.
No! Ah!
Yes! Yes! 2-1.
Crap!
And I'm looking back, he knows as well. Come on, baby.
So then, what happened in this final race? Well, the standing quarter miles were actually the exact same as in the previous race, which meant that the Audi and Yianni won best 2 out of 3. Okay, now we're going to have a rolling race. 50 miles an hour, cars in comfort, in automatic mode, just like you're chilling out.
Yianni, catch up.
Get level, here we go, we're at 50.
Right, easy, back easy, look at me, look, hello. 3.
2, 1, go. Kick down, come on. Oh.
Ooh, it's quite close. Oh, that's really close over there.
That CLA has really done good now. The Audi's just ahead, 120. We could have probably kept going a bit longer, Yianni.
You get a bit frightened about 120.
I didn't know where the end is. Like, can't blame me.
CLA did all right there, didn't it? This took a wee while to kick down, this automatic gearbox.
What's interesting about this, I don't think I mentioned it earlier, is that your car has the least torque, it's got 400 Newton meters.
This has 450. It didn't seem to make any difference.
Yeah, but the driver has the most torque. So it works there instead.
Now we're going to do the rolling race again, 50 miles an hour again, but this time in sport mode and locked in 3rd gear. So I'm going to count it in.
3.
2, 1, go. Oh yes.
Ooh.
Without the gearbox having to change down, this car's on it. This is well on it.
It's pulling away.
And the Mercedes is quite a bit behind. This is a strong engine. So maybe, if I had timed the drag race better, or got a bit better traction, I could have done it.
Not bad for a family wagon. 140.
That's enough of this.
It's interesting. Was your reaction all right, Yianni?
Yeah, nah, you were quick. And to be fair, even at 120, 130, you were going away from me, mate.
You know what to do. 70 miles an hour, line, full emergency stop.
On the line though, yeah?
On the line.
Where is the line?
It's where the surface changes colour.
You'll see it.
Where is the line actually? Oh, here it is. That was the line.
I told you I didn't know where the line was.
Right, let's do it again, Yianni. You know where the line is this time.
Yeah? Yeah?
Oh. Oh, yes!
Rubbish.
You're in the middle, Yianni. You clearly lost.
Can you tell us whether the CLA is ahead of me or behind me?
CLA won by millimetres.
So, you won the drag race, you won a rolling race, I won a rolling race, CLA won a brake test. I think overall, the Audi S3 won. Do you concur?
If I'm winning, of course I concur.
Of course he bloody concurs. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. And of course, check out Yianni's channel, Yianni Mize. Thanks for watching. Ah! Oh, no. It's weird.
You ain't getting none of that in this car, darling. Yeah, just so you know. You're not getting none of that in. There's going to be no in this car. They're going to be like, is that it? You'll be like, yeah, we need to turn you up.
Okay. What's almost sick then.
That was a good one.